guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Dev and today we'll be doing an unboxing of a Sony product. So earlier, maybe a decade back, Sony Walkman were a big thing. Everyone had a Walkman, so those were those cassette players. But as time evolved, so has Sony and so has Walkman. So this Walkman that we have here, this is the digital version of that. Of course, everything to these days it's in our mobile. We listen to music on our mobile. It's all streamed online. But sometimes you need this thing when you want to detach, when you want to detox. And for me, when I travel, I do not want to drain my phone battery too much. I do not want to finish off my data for the day. So for that, I bought this one. This is the cheapest Sony Walkman out there right now. This one is the 4 GB version, and you can buy this for around 3,000 right now. So let me show you around the box, and then we will do the unboxing. So B series. Series B, in fact, 4 GB MP3 WMA, so the old-fashioned one. This also has FM, so you can listen to radio in this one. USB, so this actually directly plugs into your PC as a USB stick, and you can transfer your music file directly into this one. This is a small screen here. Of course, we'll see all of these things when we unbox that. So Sony Walkman headphones included. So this is another good thing. This have Sony headphones included in this one. And this side, okay, this is the model number NWZ-B183F. I'll put the link of that below if you want to check it out. I bought this from Amazon. You can, of course, check it out from there. All right, coming back to the box, the bottom of the box, this says Microsoft Windows 8.1 system requirement. So this is, Windows 8.1, Windows 8.1 Pro, Windows 8, 8 Pro, Windows 7, Windows Vista. So you can actually see that I think they did not update it after they released it. So this is still in Windows 8. After that, we have Windows 10 and a lot of other variations. Anyways, pre-installed OS only. So CPU 1 GHz processor, RAM is 1 GB. Broadband internet. Okay, I think this is not about this one. This is about the computer that they're talking about. All right, let's not go into that. MRP of this is 4,995,000. So as I said, you can get this for around 3,000 in Amazon. October 2022. Okay, so this is not an old unit. This has been manufactured quite recently. Okay, and where is this made? Of course, it is made in China. And this is the black color. All right, now we have the seal at the bottom, Walkman registered trademark. And they have a holographic seal here. And let's go ahead and do the unboxing. I don't expect this to be that simple. Okay, so of course the seals are always a little bit complicated. Anyways, let me just do it from this end. I do not want to tear the box. Okay, and this opens up. A lot of paperwork. This is something I really do not like. Huge paperwork, big fat manual in multiple languages. Of course, quick start guide. This is just a waste of paper, guys. Stop doing this. Everything is online now. And what is this? This is warranty service coupon, warranty card. Okay. Again, everything is online these days. And let us bring this out. Okay, damn. So it just simply comes off. So why do I need to open this again? It doesn't make sense. Right. How do we open this? Yeah, Sony design. All right, so first of all, let's have a look at the earphones. Plastic, not braided, but they have rich structure here, so it will not get tangled easily. And this is in-ear, no tips, any silicone tips or any foam covering, simple plastic. Since this is Sony, I expect these to be good, so I will be doing the full review of this very soon. Stay tuned for that. And 3.5 mm audio jack. Now let's have a look at the star of the show, that is the Sony 4 GB Walkman. Okay, I think this is metal build. Yeah, this is metal build, very heavy. You see here, this is almost like a brushed metal structure here, if you can see. And this is the headphone jack, a tiny screw. So this is a unibody construction. That's what I'm seeing. This is entirely one piece of metal. There is no join here. And we have the screen here, and this is a play pause button. This has some power. So power off. Okay, it turned on and it immediately turned off. Okay, hold. So power off. You have to hold it to unlock it, I think. Okay, anyways, we'll be going into that later. So another button here, they have made good use of the space. So forward, fast forward, backward, next track, backtrack. So everything is here. So this side, reset button, volume plus, volume minus, does it? Yeah, okay, these are all just clickable, back and home. So they have used, this is just like a USB drive, right? And they have used good use of the space available. And see the engineering, like at the small space they have given these buttons, this button here, screen. And coming to the back, so here you can put in a lanyard, so you can strung it around your neck or place it somewhere. Again, a relic of earlier times. And hold, so what is this? They have some button here, not sure, is this lock unlock, not sure. And okay, and as I was saying, this can be used as a USB stick, plug into your computer and directly transfer your music here. Walkman branding here, nothing on the top. And this is also metal, again metal unibody construction, no joints anywhere. I'm really impressed by that. This is very good, and I'll do the full review very soon, as I said, so stay tuned for that. And if you have any question, put them in the comment section below and I'll see each and every one of you. And till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos. Goodbye.